Albert is a mobile banking app that offers a range of financial services including borrowing money. To determine how much money Albert lets you borrow, you need to understand the different types of borrowing options available through the app. Firstly, Albert offers a feature called Albert Instant, which allows you to borrow up to $250. This feature is designed for short-term borrowing and the money is deposited directly into your account. Secondly, Albert also offers a feature called Albert Cash, which allows you to borrow up to $1,000. This feature is designed for longer-term borrowing and the money is also deposited directly into your account. To be eligible to borrow money through Albert, you need to meet certain requirements such as having a stable income and a good credit history. Albert uses a range of factors to determine how much you can borrow, including your income, your credit score, and your bank account history. When you apply to borrow money through Albert, the app will review your application and provide you with a decision. If your application is approved, the money will be deposited into your account and you can repay the loan over a set period of time. It is worth noting that borrowing money through Albert is subject to interest rates and fees, so it is essential to review the terms and conditions carefully before applying. Additionally, it is crucial to only borrow what you can afford to repay to avoid getting into debt. In summary, Albert lets you borrow up to $250 through its instant feature and up to $1,000 through its cash feature. To be eligible to borrow money, you need to meet certain requirements, and the app uses a range of factors to determine how much you can borrow. It is essential to review the terms and conditions carefully and only borrow what you can afford to repay.